And there are more now than 280 reported cases of COVID-19 in Southeast Texas, spread across multiple counties, and the number keeps rising. So here's a closer look at the patients behind the numbers. We know of those cases, more than a dozen patients in Houston, along with Harris, Fort Bend, and Montgomery counties have recovered. We also know that many of the patients battling the virus are recovering at home as well. We also heard from Governor Greg Abbott today. He says he is not issuing a statewide stay-at-home order and says he's following CDC guidelines. This comes after Harris, Galveston, and Fort Bend County issued those orders. The order in Harris and Fort Bend County takes effect at midnight. We're also breaking down what that order means and how it affects you. Let's begin with ABC 13's Maya Shea for the latest. Maya?
Yeah, I have in my hand the order. A lot of people were told about it this morning. We got it in paper form and online this afternoon. And for a lot of people, they think, well, is my work essential or not essential? It turns out defining it more complicated than you may think. At Brio Car Wash on Washington, workers and customers knew this is not an essential business and they will not be opening back up tomorrow.
We agree it has to happen, but we feel bad for all these businesses because I know they're hurting and their employees are too.
For many Houstonians, the announcement of a stay-at-home order by the mayor and the county judge didn't come as a total surprise, even if they are still uncertain on what that exactly means.
Stay home, work safe means employers are encouraged to let their team work remotely from home where possible. People working from home do not have to shelter in place or feel as though that they can't move around.
But the definition of essential is broad. Grocery stores and hospitals are obvious. They'll stay open. But you may be surprised that construction workers can keep going and liquor stores can stay open. Local officials hope employers will try to comply with the spirit of the order and not look for workarounds.
All of us need to put our part, do our part in this. And so that means if you're an employer, you have to recognize and read the guidelines. And if you're, if it's clear, like, look, you're not part of these essential categories, then you got to help us out and make those decisions.
Yeah, the key for companies to realize that just because an employee may be essential to you, it doesn't mean your company's function is essential to the rest of the community on an emergency basis. So for those folks, the authorities really want you to stay home and for companies to make the right decision. If you are concerned that your company is not following the order, you can actually call law enforcement, Harris County or the city of Houston, and they can fine people up to $1,000 a day, or they can send them to jail. Of course, nobody wants that to happen, so stay home. We're live at Transtar. Maya Shea, ABC 13, Eyewitness News.
All right, Maya, thanks a lot. So what can you do during a stay-at-home order and what stays open during this time? Well, you can still go to a grocery store or a gas station. You can also go to pharmacies or doctor's appointments or take your pet to the vet. Restaurants will stay open for takeout. You can also exercise outside. Just maintain social distance. And you can help someone get supplies. We also want to stress again, this means grocery stores and pharmacies will stay open. Also during this order, you should work from home unless it's an essential service, and you cannot visit loved ones in the hospital or nursing home or visit family and friends. You must also maintain 6 feet between you and another person. We've put a full breakdown of what this stay-at-home order means and what stays open as well at abc13.com and our news app.
Taking a look now at the national response, the White House Coronavirus Task Force gave an update today. President Donald Trump said that he wants the country back open by Easter, despite warnings from health experts that such a move could overload our healthcare system. Meanwhile, Congress still working on that stimulus bill to help workers and businesses hit hard by closures during the pandemic.